Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We're here today at 4226 Dia Avenue over here in North Las Vegas. This is a single-story community called Carina Point, recently built by D.R. Horton and the Valley Vista master plan community. And just pointing out, the other side of the street there doesn't have the sidewalk like this property on this side of the street, and everything left of that sidewalk is actually taken care of by the Homeowners Association. Situated on a really nice corner lot here, this 1,830 square foot home is one of the most popular models that was built in this community because of the high functionality of the layout. You'll see that here in just a minute. We've got a 2-car garage. Walking in, you'll notice that the driveway and the walkways are made of pavers, so that's a really nice upgrade. And this is a south-facing home. Just to give you some of the orientation, you can see there that the deadbolt can be operated, opened and closed by a smartphone. And there was a doorbell camera there as well. And this is the foyer. When you walk in, you can see you've got 3 different options. You go straight into the great room. You can go to the left there, which is where the primary bedroom is and bathroom, and in one of the bedrooms, and the laundry room. Or to the right there, you've got 2 bedrooms and your access to the garage. So you know, I remember showing this property as it was being built to the homeowners who are now selling this home, and that's one of the things they really loved about this house, was just the functionality of the layout. Walking in here to the dining room, you can see the shutters on the wall. That's a really nice upgrade. Just giving you a 360 view here just to help you get oriented with the space. Right there, obviously, we've got the living area with the TV and the hutch there, and then, you know, walking into the kitchen, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. That stainless steel vented hood is a really nice look. And these are all upgraded appliances. So you've got Frigidaire appliances in this home, which is a really nice brand. It's a gas cooktop stove there. And those cabinets, upgraded cabinets. You've got another look there at that stainless steel vented hood. That washing machine, extremely quiet. A nice close-up of the granite there. And you can see the tile flooring throughout there is a 12 by 24 tile. So the pantry's there in the corner. You got your microwave, all matching appliances, Frigidaire, your oven, and then right below, I really like having that drawer to pull out there for the baking pans. Makes it real convenient. French style doors on the stainless steel refrigerator with the freezer on the bottom as a pull out there. Nice open single kitchen sink. And they put over $30,000 into the backyard. So it's something you don't have to worry about. If you're considering buying a new home, this is an expense that you'd have to take on. With this property, don't have to worry about that. You got the covered patio. You've got the upgraded pavers. And a little putting green here if you don't care for putting. You've got a low maintenance artificial turf portion of your backyard here. And then you got that retaining wall that has really nice lighting in the evening. So a nice ambiance there in the backyard in the evening. You've got a water spigot where you can install a hose on both the back and the front yard in this property. And then you've got side access on the other side there to the garage through a door, which you can't see in this video, but wanted to make sure you knew about that. Another beautiful shot of the kitchen and the living area there. 2-tone paint, 9-foot ceilings, ceiling fans and lights throughout the bedrooms. All of the hallways have smoke detectors with carbon monoxide detectors integrated. And coming back in now, we're going to go over and take a look at the guest bedroom. There's a linen closet over there on the left. Well, actually, this bedroom doesn't have the ceiling fan, but it does have the light. Sliding closet doors. And then right over to the left as you come out of this bedroom is where you're going to see the guest bathroom. There's obviously the double sinks and the shower tub combo in this full bathroom. So, okay, they kept it really clean, very organized. Homeowners' pride of ownership is definitely evident throughout this home. Everything is clean, everything is spick and span. It is so well kept. If you were here in person, you could definitely see the detail. I tried to do my best to show it through this video. Right there is the garage. There's a 50-gallon water heater in there. This is one of the other bedrooms. This one is in the front of the home. And coming on out now, we've got the third section of the home that we're going into. And this is the west side of the home where the other two bedrooms are. This bedroom also oriented towards the front of the home, right by the entrance of the home, is being used as an office. Of course, it could be used as a bedroom, a yoga studio, art studio, or office. Keep it the same, but it does have the closet there, so it is a bedroom. And then also on this side of the home, you have the washer and dryer. Okay, because the laundry room's here, extra shelving. Over here on the right side, the cabinet space. Like I said, very organized, very clean, very neat. And the home looks immaculate, just like it was built. But you've got the Honeywell thermostat there, which can be controlled with your smartphone as well. And then coming into the primary, you've got the walk-in shower on this one. So no tub, but definitely clean, spick and span as well. For this one, you've got the tile flooring in this bathroom and all the wet areas as well. 12 by 24 inch. Just giving you another look at those matching cabinets and granite. And just really trying to show you how nice and neat this place is. Okay, so the toilet is behind that door. Elongated toilets throughout, which is a nice upgrade. And this has got the door. Some of these restrooms and some of these primary bathrooms do not have the door for the privacy. This one does. I found that a lot of people do like that. And then you got your walk-in closet over here. And you can see how the space has been used. Coming in to the primary now. Obviously the ceiling fan and light is there. This is in the northwest corner of the property. And just coming on around to give you another view, another vantage point of this room. Nice sized room. And you know, you can see the backyard over there from the window. There's mountains in the distance, because that's the north side of the home. The Sheep Mountains are off in the distance behind this property. So, you know, really nice views, really functional space throughout the property. Very energy efficient property. This thing was just built a few years ago. So this is in a gated community called Carina Point, which is in the Valley Vista Master Plan community. As you can see right here, that's what the entrance looks like for Valley Vista. And then this is what the entrance looks like for the gated Carina Point subdivision inside of Valley Vista. Danny Fee, Keller Williams Realty Las Vegas. I'll see you on the next video.